Hey, so since I mentioned in my last video that I was gonna upgrade to the newest VirtualBox 4.1.14, I thought I might as well make a video how to install VirtualBox. So when you go to the website www.virtualbox.org, the most recent version as of recording, which is 4/30/2012 at 4:10 p.m. is version 4.1.14. I'm going to click download, and it's available for Mac, Linux, I believe BSD, OpenBSD, and Windows. So let's continue through the installation. When you first start it up, it says welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 4.1.14. You click next, and it gives you a tree good diagram of what you want to install. I'm going to select install everything because it's more of an upgrade. So I click next. Actually over here you can browse and select the specific location that you want to install. Right there it's fine. So I click next, and I'm going to unclick create shortcut on the desktop because I have mine pinned to the start, but I'm going to keep create a shortcut in the quick launch. So I'm going to hit next, and it's going to warn me it has to install its virtual Ethernet driver, so it will disconnect you from the internet for a few seconds while it does that. And if you're installing this on a network, please be warned that it will disconnect your computer from all network drives. So be careful that you've stopped working on everything and you've alerted your network administrator, or that you are installing this, or if you are the network administrator, you've alerted your your employees or employer that you will be installing this, and for a short amount of time it will disrupt their internet connection. So we click next to install. We click install, and it goes through the installation process of the status, and it has to install VirtualBox USB drivers, and I think I told Windows to allow the installation of the drivers, but if not, when it shows up it says, are you sure you want to install a driver from this publisher, Oracle Works VMware? Click OK, and then it'll install, and then it'll pop up a second time because it has to install two different drivers, the USB driver, and then I believe some other driver. I think it might be a different type of USB driver. But if you want Windows to automatically recognize and whitelist, meaning put on their allow list, the publisher and allow them to install drivers without a second UAC prompt, you can click that box. So here's the UAC prompt of the installer that is extracted. Click next. Now it's validating the installation. And now since it's an upgrade, it's removing the old applications because I had the old version in place. And now it's copied the new files back. So now it's finishing the installation. And as you can see, now you can't see that right now, but right now it has disconnected me from the Ethernet, from the Wi-Fi for a minimal second, and now I'm connected back again. So while it's doing that, and if you're wondering why my desktop's a little bit smaller with the range, it's because the left-hand side of my desktop is kind of cluttered with folders, and some of the folders are named some certain videos that I will be doing in the future, and I don't want that to ruin the secret for you. So just stay tuned and be surprised. So now it's copying the files. It removed the old files, and it's copying in place the new files. Actually, the action of what it's doing is it verifies the installer, removes the old files, installs and updates the new driver for the network and USB, another USB, and then it registers the component, and now it asks you, and also refreshes. It asks you, do you want to start Oracle? Now, I'm going to click no, because I will be starting it later on, but I'll be doing a video about it, and that video will be how to create a virtual machine using Oracle VMware VirtualBox, this version 4.1.14.